वेलकम टू 4 डीप लर्न। आज हम एक और पावरफुल साइबर सिक्योरिटी टूल के बारे में डीप डाइव करने वाले हैं। मिमिकट्स एक छोटा टूल है लेकिन इसका इम्पैक्ट बड़ा है। अगर आप सिक्योरिटी में हो या बस क्यूरियस हो, ये समझना जरूरी है। इट रिप्रेजेंट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट टूल्स इन मॉडर्न साइबर सिक्योरिटी, a piece of software so effective that it has become both a primary weapon for malicious actors and an essential learning device for defenders. In the simplest terms, Mimikatz is an open-source utility designed to view authentication artifacts in memory for research and defense awareness. It pulls back the curtain on how Windows handles sensitive information, passwords, hashes authentication tokens, revealing how vulnerable data becomes once an attacker gains initial access to a machine. Understanding its function is no longer optional for serious defenders. The story of Mimikatz begins with its creator, French security researcher Benjamin Delpy. He first released the tool in 2011 as a proof of concept to demonstrate Windows security weaknesses. The community learned, attackers abused it, its dual legacy was set. This guide targets ethical hackers, blue teams, IT pros, and managers, English main, CIDHA or clear. To truly appreciate the power of Mimikatz, we must first understand its primary capabilities. These are the very techniques attackers use to move through compromised networks. The most fundamental feature is credential dumping. यह tool Windows memory से stored credentials जैसे plain text या hashes को conceptually reveal करता है, lab awareness के लिए। Specifically, LSIS area को target किया जा सकता है, जहां active sessions के secrets रहते हैं। Admin level foothold होने पर secrets exposure का risk बढ़ जाता है। This is why privileged access is sacred. Building on dumping, we encounter pass the hash, PTH. अगर attacker के पास NTLM hash हो, वो बिना plain text password के auth try कर सकता है। Theoretically, Windows कभी-कभी hash को ही credential token की तरह treat करता है। ये attacker को password जाने बिना ही movement देने की कोशिश करता, इसीलिए defenses matter. Another powerful technique is pass the ticket, PTT. ये Kerberos tickets capture और reuse idea को explain करता है। Kerberos users को tickets देता है जो multiple resources पर reuse होते हैं। SSO, memory stored tickets compromise होने पर impersonation का risk बढ़ता है, stealthier than PTH. Finally, advanced techniques, golden ticket and silver ticket. Golden ticket, domain-wide forged privilege, grave risk. Silver ticket, targeted service level forgery. Net, persistent control agar defense is weak on. Understanding how it operates under the hood helps both ethical use and defense. Everything hinges on the right level of access, then how Windows manages secrets in memory. High-level flow, initial access, privilege escalation, read LSAS memory, lateral movement. The first step is a foothold, binoculars on the network, not a remote magic button. Then higher privileges. Most powerful functions need admin, system context. Secrets reside in protected memory. Unauthorized reads should be blocked. LSAS is the Local Security Authority Subsystem Service, Windows KA Security Hub. It caches credentials for SSO convenience, comfort versus risk trade-off. Debug-level privileges enable one process to inspect another. Defenders must watch for this. Scanning patterns may reveal plaintexts, NTLM hashes, Kerberos tickets. अगर defenses weak हों, फिर attacker reuse करके दूसरे systems पर जा सकता. This is the pivot risk. Cycle repeats until objective achieved. इसी loop को break करना ही defense का goal है. Perform research सिर्फ controlled, isolated lab environments में. Owned by you. Explicit written permission के बिना कोई भी टेस्टिंग illegal और unethical है। Safest तरीका, virtual machines with isolated networks and snapshots. Windows-based research के लिए setup straightforward है। Handle with care and follow your org policies. Only official, trusted sources use करें। Tempered download से बचिए। Security tools इसको threat label करेंगे। ये expected है labs में। Production में block ही रहना चाहिए। Powerful actions need elevated context. कभी भी org policy violate न करें. लिनक्स बेस्ड डिस्ट्रोस पर भी रिसर्च पॉसिबल है। बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस, फॉलो लीगल स्कोप एंड बिल्ड सेफली पर डॉक्स। स्नैपशॉट से प्री टेस्ट स्टेट सेव करें। अगर कुछ बिग डे, इंस्टेंटली रिवर्ट। गोल, जीरो लास्टिंग इम्पैक्ट आउटसाइड लैब। हमेशा सेफ्टी फर्स्ट माइंडसेट। नोट, हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप मिसयूज गाइडेंस शेयर नहीं कर रहे, सिर्फ अवेयरनेस फॉर डिफेंस एंड एथिकल स्टडी। इवन इन लैब्स आपको कॉमन रोड ब्लॉक्स मिलेंगे। मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंट AV EDR blocks. Good sign. Tools are working. Lab only mitigation. Controlled environment. Temporary safe allowances. Production में कभी मत करें। Next hurdle. Missing privileges. Without proper rights, LSASS memory protected रहता है। Ethical labs use approved admin context. Real attacks often exploit vulns. Defenders must harden. Modern Windows Credential Guard plain text exposure को रोक देता है। Good for production. It isolates LSASS via virtualization based security. Hashes might remain, but plain texts are curtailed. Lab proving point. Controls को toggle करके difference समझो। Production में हमेशा enable रखो। Wine पर limitations आ सकती। Windows VM for full fidelity research is superior. Some components cross-platform explore हो सकते, पर कोर क्रेडेंशियल मेमोरी रिसर्च विंडोज टाइड है। लेसन, जो हर्डल्स आपको लैब में मिलते हैं वही कंट्रोल्स प्रोडक्शन को सेफ रखते, उन्हें डिसेबल मत करें। Knowing is half the battle, defending is the other half. Monitor unusual LSASS memory access. Legit tools rarely do this. Non-standard access should trigger immediate high priority alerts. Use EDR for signatures and behavior analytics on credential theft patterns. Flag suspicious driver loads and sensitive API call patterns. Also watch the aftermath, suspicious logins and ticket anomalies. Remote hash reuse often shows distinct logon event types. SIEM correlation helps connect dots. Gold and silver ticket usage leaves footprints in KDC TGS logs. Alert on new resource access, unusual ticket lifetimes, privilege spikes. Proactive controls. Enable Credential Guard on supported Windows 10-11 Enterprise and Server. Enable LSA protection, run ASPPL, to block untrusted LSASS access. Layered defense always wins. Enforce MFA, especially for admins and remote access. Apply least privilege and minimize domain admins. Segment, patch, audit, and deploy deception. Harder to execute, easier to detect. We cannot conclude a discussion about Mimikatz without a final stark warning about legal and ethical implications. Using this tool on systems you do not own or without explicit documented permission is illegal. Privacy and computer crime laws worldwide apply. Misuse can mean heavy fines and criminal charges. Power mandates ethics. Use only for learning or authorized assessments. Scope and ROE clear HON. Findings responsibly report CARO. Summary defense. Enable Credential Guard and LSA protection. Enforce MFA and least privilege. Use EDR for process access. SIEM for logon correlations. Patch aggressively. Train staff. Phishing is the usual first foothold. Real-world incidents show the impact. Ransomware outbreaks leveraged credential theft concepts for rapid spread. APT groups dwell for months, quietly exfiltrating data. The final takeaway is this: Mimikatz is a powerful teacher. It strips away complexity and reveals a simple truth. Credentials are the keys to the kingdom. They must be protected at all costs. It forces defenders to think like attackers and build practical, layered, resilient defenses. अगर आप सिक्योरिटी में हो, मिमिकत्स समझना जरूरी है, पर हमेशा एथिकल और लीगल बाउंड्री का ध्यान रखो। Use this knowledge to build, to protect, and to secure. You are not learning to attack. You are learning to immunize your world. Stay safe, stay curious, always within the law. अगर आपको ये टूल एक्सप्लेनेशन पसंद आया तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और नीचे कमेंट में बताइए कि कौन सा टूल आप नेक्स्ट सीखना चाहते हैं। हम जरूर उस टूल का डीप डाइव वीडियो लाएंगे।